In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your favorites or save templates on CapCut PC in just a few simple steps. If you've been saving templates and can't remember where to find them, this quick guide will help you get there fast so you can keep editing without wasting time. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut desktop application on your computer. Once CapCut launches, you'll be on the main interface where all of your editing tools and content options are available. From here, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of its main sections, including templates, editing tools, and your saved content. Now click on Templates from the left menu. This will open the Templates area inside CapCut PC. If you use templates often, this is the section where you can browse trending designs, search for specific styles, and access your saved items. Once you're inside the template section, look just below the search bar. You'll see several filter options there. These filters help you sort templates more easily, and one of them will be favorites. Click on favorites to view the templates you've saved. After you click favorites, CapCut will display all of your favorited or saved templates in one place. This makes it very easy to come back later and reuse the templates you liked most without having to search for them again manually. If you've saved a lot of templates, this favorites view is the fastest way to find them. So just to recap, open CapCut PC, go to the left menu, click templates, and then select favorites under the search bar. From there, you can view all of your saved templates whenever you need them. If this video helped you out, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more CapCut tutorials, editing tips, and beginner-friendly software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.